To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Sometime. Sometime. Sometimes. In this video, we will look at the difference between these words. Sometime. Sometimes means at some point. This is usually an unspecific time in the future. For example, I will ring you sometime next week. We can meet at the coffee shop sometime next weekend. Sometime. Sometime refers to a period of time. This is usually a long period of time. For example, it will take me some time to finish my homework. The builders have been working on the house for some time. Sometimes. Sometimes means occasionally. For example, they sometimes go to the fruit and vegetable market. Sometimes I run in the park.